could probably hear that bag, but I'm about to put this bag on my head so I can get in the shower because I got some things I'm doing today. Not exciting and stuff everybody does, but it's me. My bonnet is inside out, but I don't care. I don't care. About to get in the shower, get ready, clean up, and go to the store to take bottles back. Boom. In the shower. Put this bag over my head and do some chores. You thought I was gonna come back looking done up and, you know, skip all of that, but no. Actually, I'm just like irritated because look what the shower did to my hair. Oh, I'm so mad because I covered her up, but now I gotta put some on it and straighten it because I don't got time for this. I don't got time for this because it look a mess and I'm tired. I really just put on some clothes after I got out the shower and, you know, did the normal stuff. But, ow. Don't worry, she will be redone. I'm probably gonna have to wash her. Well, I'm gonna have to wash her before I get my thing. It just pisses me off. It pisses me off. So, we're gonna expose this. You know, because I try to go, like, throughout my hair appointments without putting heat in it, excess heat, because they already be burning my hair to a crisp, child. Like, a smooth crisp. You see how straight this is? I could never. Like, I could never. Yeah, the usual. And I gotta straighten up my house because it look a mess. She's just ugly. I always say that, but I do gotta fix her up because she do look a mess all the time, for real. She's bright. Ooh, ooh. Hair just be shitting. yeah, so on my way to the grocery store, I got all these bottles in the back, child. And got all these bottles in the back, and I'm taking them back because it's just, we got so many bottles. We got so many bottles, girl. See where people coming from. My phone like stand broke. She broke. And I'm like driving with one hand. Now I know not to look at the camera too much, but don't do this, kids. It's a struggle right now. I gotta get another car mount. So yeah, I'm back from the grocery store. I got me a little snacky snack, as you can see. Wait, when is this good by? Oh, 5-1. Got me a turkey cheddar Caesar wrap, or cheddar wrap, flour tortilla, oven roasted turkey breast meat, spinach, mild cheddar, mayonnaise. Anyways, cream cheese and mustard. Mustard? Cream cheese and mustard. And then I got the chicken Caesar wrap, wheat, flour tortilla cooked with white meat, Caesar dressing, spinach, cream cheese, and Parmesan cheese. It come with a sauce too, so I don't know. I love meat, and I got I got me some chippies to go with it. Yay! I wasn't sure if I should get salt and vinegar or sour cream, but I think the salt and vinegar will go good with the Caesar, so I'm gonna eat the Caesar. Got my receipt, you know, because I gotta take a picture of it on Fetch so I can get my extra points, if you know what I mean. What threw me off is the mustard, because where the mustard coming from? Mayonnaise? No. I'm sorry. And I'm going to drink this Red Bull because I didn't eat breakfast today. I really don't like breakfast unless somebody else is cooking it. I hate cooking breakfast on my own. I'm about to eat this Caesar wrap. Got my Red Bully. I'm waiting for my boyfriend to come back. Like, you really can't go wrong with chicken, Caesar dressing, and spinach. You really can. I'm eating in my room because I'll be comfortable. So, yeah. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. I gotta do something. I don't hear the music that much. So I record now. Thank you.
I'll be right back to you.
What did it say?
What did you say? 60?
I said it was gonna be 60 something probably.
You almost fucking nailed it. It was 59.09. Before
With tax.
And with tax, 62. God damn. Your steak was almost as much as the margarita.
Well, how much the margarita?
$24 for both of us.
Margaritas?
$24 a piece.
Oh. I'm about to say 24 for a margarita is crazy.
Yeah, you my team. I can already tell it's kicking out. I'm about to start getting ignorant.
See, this is why I like recording around. You so fake. I'm playing. Okay?
You always act weird in front of the camera.
You do, especially when we're in a car.
Because I'm driving.
Car, you be on the phone while you driving. Stop.
That's for work.
It don't work. It's dangerous.
What do you mean it don't work? It's for work. How the fuck is it not gonna work?
Oh, you're cussing.
Well, bleep it out. You an editor.
Oh my God, look at this. Oh no. Oh no. I was trying to see what I look like. I look crazy. Oh man, thinking. I ain't gonna lie, I could have ate all this, but the bitch like me is hungry. Hey, when the fuck did they start? When did they start just giving you cups of A1 sauce? Do people steal it?
I don't know. That's where you eat steak.
With a spoon.
That's not it. I'm about to eat this shit up.
We about to eat it cold.
Yep.